Namaste everyone. Children, I hope you all are watching these videos on a regular basis. Yes? And you are able to understand the blocks also. Children, I would like to repeat it again. If you have any problem in understanding any word, kindly search the meaning of that word in the dictionary. And if still you face any problem, you can give a call between 5 to 7. Okay, we'll solve your query. Alright? So children, we'll continue with block 4 today, losing our home. So let's take a quick recap of what we learned in our last class. Children, we understood the meaning of natural disaster, which means that natural disasters are extreme sudden events caused by environmental factors and that injure people and damage property. एंड उसमें हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता, हम उसको कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते नेचुरल डिजास्टर को. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पीपल लूज देयर लाइव्स ऑल्सो एंड दे लूज देयर प्रॉपर्टीज, देयर हाउस. ओके, सो children, then we discussed about different types of natural disasters. We discussed about floods, earthquake, tsunami. Then floods. Now children, floods happen when river overflow and water enters the roads. Yes, I gave you an example of a glass in the water also. If there is a water and we keep pouring water in the glass, then what will happen? The water will come out from the glass. Yes, and it spreads all around the place where the glass is kept. The same happens with the floods also. When there is an overflow of water, the water of that river, it enters the roads and the houses of the people. Then comes the earthquake, when there is a sudden movement under the surface of the earth. Yes, when there is a movement under the surface of the earthquake takes place. So in few days before, I also noticed that there was an earthquake in our city. The fan of my room was moving. Yes, so then we discussed about tsunamis. Tsunamis are high waves caused by an earthquake. Children, when there is a powerful earthquake, then the waves of the tsunamis, they start moving fast. Yes, and those waves are very huge waves and they enter the land. Yes, they enter onto the land and cause widespread deaths and destructions. वेव्स बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंची होती हैं और बहुत दूर तक फैलती हैं वो वेव्स. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जितना भी अगर वहाँ पे आसपास लोग होते हैं या तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, लोगों की लाइफ चली जाती है और कंप्लीट डैमेज हो जाती है वो जगह. ओके, children, these disaster affects the life of the people. Thousands of people suddenly become homeless. People lose their homes and personal belongings. Most people lose their lives also. And it is very difficult for those who lose everything to start a regular life. उनका सब कुछ ख़त्म हो जाता है, उनका घर, उनका पर्सनल बिलोंगिंग्स, उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स भी की भी डेथ हो जाती है. कुछ भी हो सकता है अगर नेचुरल डिजास्टर आ जाए. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट वी विल लर्न about in today's class, we learn about few more natural disasters, cyclones, tornadoes, hurricane, and helping the homeless people, how different people help homeless people, what are the emergency services that help homeless people. Children, as you can see in the picture, cyclones, hurricane and tornadoes are violent winds blowing at a very high speed, and these winds are accompanied by heavy rains. Children, they usually form over the oceans and they damage human lives and property. These winds are in circular form ये ऐसे गोल 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 घूमती है. Okay. Then children, what precautions we need to take care? We need to keep a first aid kit ready with us every time. We should not go out alone and we should obey to our elders. Okay. We should regularly listen to the weather bulletins on TVs and radios. Okay. Now children, see the condition, the impact of these disasters on the life and property of the humans. When a natural disaster strikes, people lose not only their homes and property but also their loved ones. Homeless people need our support, care, and compassion so that they can start a new life again. Children, see in these pictures, there is a complete disaster. Yes, everything is destroyed. Children, cyclones are common in the coastal areas of West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Orissa. Yes, these areas are prone to cyclones, and these areas comes under coastal areas. Now children, we all know this, that a natural disaster comes without warning. People are not prepared for it, and when people lose their homes so suddenly, where can they take shelter? कौन उनका ध्यान रखता है जब वो इंजर्ड हो जाते हैं at the time of natural disaster? Children, there are some emergency services. Now what do we mean by emergency services? Emergency services वो services होती हैं, वो organizations होती हैं जो serious situations like natural disasters जब होते हैं उस time पे वो services help करती हैं, वो services अपनी services provide करती हैं. Yes, for example, hospitals, ambulance, fire engines, police, air force, and the army. Children, when such kind of situation arises, they are expected to reach at that place and provide food and shelter to the people who are suffering from natural disaster. Yes, then the army is often sent to rescue people. Yes, ambulance takes the sick and injured people to hospital, whereas police ensures that the laws and orders are properly maintained and the people who are affected with natural disaster, for them everything they should get. Yes, fire engines rescue people if they are caught in fire. All right, so we have here air force, ambulance, fire engines, police. Yes, so now children, see at the time of natural disaster ambulance takes the injured people to hospital. All right. Children, people who are homeless and have lost all their money and belongings will need more support to get back to their regular life. Voluntary organizations like Red Cross make shelter homes for homeless people and they give them food and care. Which organization helps the people who suffered from natural disaster? Voluntary organizations. And we have an example of voluntary organization, Red Cross. This organization provides care, food and relief to those affected and look after the injured. All right. So children, we have covered all the topics of this block, different types of natural disasters and providing how we can provide shelter to homeless people who help them at the time of natural disaster. Yes, so children, please take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.